Okay, welcome back to Fresno Cabinet Outlet. In this video, we're going to cover what is refacing and the process of refacing your kitchen cabinets. So in this case, we just finished this kitchen not too long ago. Here are the old cabinets. So what the process of the kitchen refacing is just basically removing all the doors, the drawers, as you can see, the hardware. A lot of times we also remove the crown moldings and all the other, trim that they have on the cabinets, and we'll replace it with brand new, but leaving the countertops and the main layout intact without touching those. So now, as you can see, we did end up removing everything. We took out the crown molding, as you can see. We took out all the trim that were on the side, the drawer boxes, or the old hardware of the drawer boxes, and as well as the doors. And now it really depends on what type of finish that you want to go with, which determines what the next step is. In this particular case, these customers wanted to go with a stain color finish. So in the stain color finish, we sand the cabinets down, replace the fronts of the cabinets with new veneer, replace the finished ends with new plywood, and as you can see, we also replaced the crown molding with new moldings and also new trim, as well as the island. See, all the finished ends are done. This way, the exterior of the cabinet, everything is brand new. So in the end, in this case, we went with raised panel birch doors with dark mahogany stain is what the customer chose. That's their taste, and we respect that. We applied the semi-gloss finish on the cabinets, and since we made new doors and new drawer boxes, we also added all the new hardware on all the drawer boxes, as well as the new pulls. All the drawers have soft close, side mount ball bearing drawer glides on them for that smooth touch. And all the doors got replaced with the new European interior soft close hinges. Now the main thing about the refacing cabinets is that we don't touch the interiors. We only work on the exterior. This project took us exactly 10 days, working 2 weeks, Monday through Friday.